Three. Hello everyone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are today. Let's go to represent ourselves. My name is Djefri.
My name is Hanif.
My name Phadil.
And we are good in this year. We go to make a Japan project making Japanese egg sandwich. The ingredients is bread, boiled eggs, mayonnaise and cheese, salmon, vegetable, vegetable, spoon, knife, and condensed milk.
Okay, and then
This is a white
This is a bread, yeah, you know.
This bread is salmon. It's technical.
Razan Royan.
Mungkin lebih.
Ada satu aja. Jangan lupa. Oh, seperti apa ya? Like
and second put the salted egg in the cup. Make the mayonnaise.
kamu mau coba bisa? Hello everyone. Oke. Kita tambahin lagi di sini like dah.
Macam gitu. Kurang lama. Lagi.
Dah.
Lagi.
It's done. Again.
More.
Dah. Done.
Yeah, done or finish.
Dan for finish the egg with mayonnaise is mix.
And
And the next bread.
condensed milk.
This so crazy.
Sorry, menjadikan orang diabetes.
In English, Phadil.
Okay, I'm sorry. It's diabetes. Diabetes.
So it's egg, mayonnaise, and milk. Yeah.
Yes, mix in
the receptacle.
in the box.
Stir quickly with the spoon.
This mayonnaise is master.
Slice the meat.
Salmon.
Okay.
Pelan-pelan deh. Diancam orang sama
Kalau patah. It's keju.
kita pindahin.
Buang.
Memang is
Oh, it's so nice.
Aduh, itu belum.
After that, add the salmon in the boiled egg.
Oke, nice. Nih, soalnya kurang. Ini udah mau. Disuruh sekali.
Masuk.
Terus. Your eyes. Terus ayo.
The next is
Prepare the bread.
the bread.
Prepare berapa? Tuh. Oke, nice. Is
In. Okay, nice. The next now.
Bread to fill in bread with a spoon.
It's vegetable.
ini.
Add to bread.
Like a slave.
Slay. It's hand to hand.
Hentai.
Hentai. It's hand to hand. Hand to hand.
And then add vegetables.
Yes. Yes. Done.
Satu oke.
And keju, bro. Slice. Oh, cheese. Yeah. It's the name. It's
Add a slice of cheese in the bread.
in upper.
One slice.
Just one, okay. Oh, dia terlalu kasar.
In English.
Add to cheese and
Then cut the bread.
cut of bread. Besok ini don tajam.
And sandwich ready to eat. Thank you.